Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited. To be honest, it's the most excited I've been in a while. I've received my first PR package, or a company reached out to me and literally sent me free products, and that was the most amazing feeling ever because I've been using their products for a while and I've been talking to you guys about them. If you guys are wondering which brand it is, let me just show you guys. So this is the box that I received. It is a heavy box. If you guys don't know what Fanola is, I'm going to be putting their website right here. Basically they sell the most amazing line of products for girls with blonde hair or girls with colored hair, that, you know, if you're blonde and you've been blonde for a while, that blonde starts shading away and it turns into this really nasty orange looking hair. But if you guys use Fanola, you won't have that problem. So yeah, once I opened it, I literally cried because it was kind of personalized just for me. As you guys can tell, there's a picture of me right there with all of the products right below it, and this is so generous of Fanola. So if you are watching this, Fanola, thank you so much. You guys don't know how much this means to me. Just a little, like, you know, a little rant. For everyone, definitely do, you know, follow your dreams. Dreams do come true. You know, this YouTube journey is something that, you know, if you have your own YouTube channel, definitely keep on going. I just want to definitely let you know, Fanola, this is the first PR package, or, like, you know, you're the first company who has reached out to me, who sent me free products, and I am like over the moon for it, and I'm so grateful for it, and I'm so excited to be using these. But yeah, this is what the box looks like, and I received a lot of things. So the first thing, other than the beautiful picture that they put on and personalized for the box, which is literally my Instagram photo, I also received this beautiful handwritten letter from Fanola, and it says, "Hi Ismarie, thank you for your amazing love and support. I'm so excited for you to try some more of Fanola. I hope you love everything." And this is literally so amazing. So let me just get into the product. I'm super excited. First thing is first, it's blue and orange bottle. I know you guys have seen it all over my channel. But this is the 100% vegan version of it. Usually I just order the regular Fanola no orange shampoo, but this is their vegan line, which is so amazing because this shampoo is literally free of sulfates, silicone, and parabens, all of the products that are horrible for your hair. And yeah, this is the first product that I received. The next product that I received is this nourishing serum for your hair, and let me tell you guys that this little tiny bottle is so heavy. So out of the bat, I love that it says nourishing, and it says you can use it either on dry or damp hair, and it is rich in aloe vera and linseed oil, which are so good for your hair. It says it leaves your hair really shiny, it repairs split ends, it's ideal for curly, frizzy, and permed hair. And to use, it says usually you just apply a few drops to clean hair, and yeah, you just leave it on, you don't rinse it off, and this is literally going to nourish your hair and keep it very healthy. I literally cannot wait to use this. I did open it earlier and it smells amazing. It smells just like strawberries. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit on my hair because I did straighten it earlier. But yeah, just to show you guys. And this is supposed to leave your hair like very shiny. You know, dyeing your hair blonde, it literally truly, no matter what products you use, it's gonna damage your hair, and I feel like you need something to repair your hair for it. And I think I found my forever products because this is so amazing. Like, look at that shine, you can literally just tell. And if you guys are wondering, my hair is this healthy because I've been using their shampoo products. And this is actually not the first, well, this is the first product that I received from Fanola itself, but I've purchased a lot. I've purchased their red line of products, and I've been using that. And I'm gonna put a picture here just so you guys can see. And my hair is the best that it's ever been. Like, it's so good. You guys ask me all the time. So right out the bat, I feel like this is something that I'm going to be repurchasing so much. It smells so good. Like, my sister's seen it and she literally wanted to take it from me because she has curly hair, and I think this is amazing if you have curly hair. It's really gonna bring out your curls and it's gonna make it so shiny. Oh my god, I'm like so obsessed. The next thing that I received is a nourishing mask. I haven't opened it because I wanted to open it specifically with you guys, and I cannot wait to smell it. Let me see. So let me just open it really quick. Good, I can't open it. All right guys, so it took me a while, but I got it open. So basically this is a restructuring mask. Let me just read the instructions for you. As use after shampooing. You apply evenly from hair roots to ends. You leave it on for 5 minutes and then you rinse it off. And its milk fragrance may alter the color of the product. So what it says is you apply evenly from hair roots to ends, you leave on for 5 minutes, and then you just rinse it off. If you're looking for a hair mask, Fanola sells one. I am going to be trying this out for you guys. The other thing that I received from Fanola would be the NutriCare shampoo and conditioner. If I'm not mistaken, this is the whole line here. So this is the mask and then the shampoo and conditioner. So first things first is the NutriCare shampoo. It's for dry and frizzy hair. It's specific for formula enriched with milk proteins. That's exactly what that mask smells like milk and like vanilla. It says, so it claims to hydrate and nourishes dry, weak, and stressed hair. And this is the conditioner. The last product would be the conditioner in form of a foam. So what it is, this is a foam, but it is in conditioner form. So let's read the instructions really quick. So this is ideal for blonde, bleached with streaks, and gray hair. It is formulated with a special purple pigment that neutralizes unwanted yellow reflections, giving hair softness, shine, and silkiness without weighing it down. After shampooing, apply evenly to damp hair. So it goes on damped hair, on lengths and ends. You leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. So this is like a conditioner but in foam, like in that foam formula. So this is such a unique product. Let me see. So yeah, definitely it is like foam. This is amazing. So yeah guys, those are all the products that I received from Fanola. Honestly, truly amazing. I cannot believe that I received all of these products. I cannot wait to use them. I always say that me and blonde hair are like peanut butter and jelly. Like, I would never get rid of my blonde hair. I just truly love it, and I just feel like it's the hair color that suits me best. But I'm truly so amazed at this specific product. It smells so good, literally like strawberries, but then when you put it in your hair, it has more of like the strawberry scent tones down. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I cannot wait to use these, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe and like and comment down below which specific product you would like me to review for you guys and do a specific targeted video on. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys